Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you want to get paid just by answering questions from your phone or laptop, then keep watching. You don't need a degree. All you need is just your phone or a laptop. I'll be sharing 6 platforms where you can be able to answer questions and get paid. So keep watching. You can do this from the comfort of your home, from any location. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and drop me a comment with your location. To my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back. Let's get started. The first website on our list is Just Answer. JustAnswer.com allows you to help people and get paid using your professional experience. If you are a qualified professional in one of their categories, you can earn money when you answer questions online. You will be able to set your own hours and work anytime from any location. How it works, you get paid to help people. They'll ask you questions. All you need to do, and you answer them. You can do this from anywhere, anytime, from your desktop or smartphone. You choose your workload, you work on your own terms, grow your skill level, and thrive in the community. You can join a community of experts from divorce lawyers and dog vets to Maytag, tags, and Mercedes mechanics. If you have professional expertise in one of the categories on Just Answer, then you can earn cash on the platform. So join the thousands of experts who have answered over 60 million questions. The application process is simple. There are no sign-up fees. If you're admitted, they will help you get started to answer questions and earn money. So apply online. If you have the right credentials, verify your credentials, start making money. Click on this apply button. It will take you to the sign up page where you will choose your specialty. Enter your first name and last name, your email address, your phone number with your country code, and sign up. The second one is Talkroom. Talkroom lets people pay before messaging you. They will actually pay before sending you a message. They have a range of topics from singles, mental health and well-being, therapy, personal finance, content creation, spirituality and religion, tech, usability testing, crypto, forex and trading, legal help. So you can help people by answering their questions, but they have to pay. They can pay up to $10 per question. So your time is valuable and so is your inbox space. Talkroom helps you prioritize who you reply to while you earn money from answering those messages. Connect with anyone on the internet quickly. So on Talkroom, people pay before messaging you. This filters out all time wasters, beggars, and spammers so that you can make real connections with real people. So it takes just a minute to create a profile. You set a price and start getting paid for your time. They also have a mobile app that you can get from App Store or Google Play Store. So earn money while you chat. They have ease of use. Anyone can set up a profile within minutes to get paid for talking. They also pay in multiple currency. You can get paid on Talkroom no matter where in the world you are, as they support a multiple national and cryptocurrencies. Then build your network, charge as much as you want, accept many chat requests as you are able to answer, get paid immediately the chat session is over. You have the right to accept or decline a request. You have the right to accept or decline a request. Moving on to the third one, we have Voice Form. On Voice Form, you get paid to answer questions about brands you love. You earn some extra money by providing feedback, answering questions about different brands around the world. How it works: influence products, give your honest opinion, and provide honest feedback on brands while earning money on the side. Complete a quick qualification form to get started. Once approved, you will receive invites to participate in brand surveys. You speak, share your opinion, and help amazing brands learn how their customers feel. Then start making some side money by simply completing surveys in your spare time and get paid right away. So they partner with brands like Slack, Eco Market Research, User Testing, Tech2 So to start, just click on this apply button. It will take you to the sign up page. And the fourth one is Cash for Minutes. Cash for Minutes pays you for making phone calls. It's a unique service that allows you to earn cash with your monthly unused phone minutes simply by listening to internet radio broadcasts. They've paid over 11 million since 2014 and have over 249,020 users and counting. If you want to start with them, go ahead and click on this sign up button and start. All you have to do is check your inclusive minutes with your fixed mobile phone provider service and start calling for cash. They have speedy payment. You can choose from weekly or monthly payment by either bank transfer, PayPal, Bitcoin, or your chosen charity. You can refer a friend. You will be so amazed with this service. You will want your friend, so you can refer a friend or family to also make some money from you. They have global access. You can use this service wherever you are in the world. Always check with your phone provider what it includes. New numbers, they will constantly generate and refresh a list of access numbers for you to dial. Keep dialing, working through the list. You can choose from weekly or monthly payments. Their payment is speed. They have a speedy payment procedure. And how does it work? Set up your unique user profile and add all the numbers you will be dialing from. Access numbers. Choose a number to dial, making sure you always perform a short test call to check you are not being charged. Then after that, you get paid. And the fifth on our list is agents only. You get paid daily because you earned it and shouldn't have to wait. Being compensated every day you work gives you more independence to invest in your dreams. They pay every day for every call guaranteed. Start work. You choose what time to start answering calls every day. You choose what time to stop answering calls every day. They pay daily for every customer interaction in between. They also have weekly paying call center jobs. They have daily paying call center jobs. They also have same-day pay. We care about our agents and about supporting their goals. So if you want to get started with agentsonly.com, go ahead and click on the sign up button and get started. Go ahead and sign up with them and start earning. And the last on our list is humanatic.com. Have you ever called a company and heard the operator say, "This call is being recorded"? Well, that's Humanatic. Why should you join them? First, they never charge you anything. They will pay you weekly. You don't have to transcribe a full conversation for every call you listen. You don't need to be a third party during a live conversation. You don't have to make or receive phone calls. PayPal is used worldwide in order to keep financial information safe. It provides a safe and effective way to transfer money. So they pay via PayPal. Just go ahead and sign up on PayPal if you do have a PayPal account. So go ahead and click on sign up for free. And this is the application process. Verify you meet the requirements, complete the application process, review training material while you wait for approval, begin earning by reviewing calls. Verification proves that a person is who they say they are. This creates confidence and a willingness to do business with you. You can verify your PayPal account by completing this. Your personal banking details shared with PayPal remain private. So if you're ready to join them, click on begin registration. It brings you to this page. In order to join Humanitic, you must have a valid PayPal account, I'm afraid. If you don't have, they will not be able to continue with you. And that's that from my end. Go ahead and check them out and see which one works for you. And let me know your thoughts in the comments. Comment your location for me, and I'll keep finding videos that work just for your location. Just a recap, the websites mentioned today: number one is justanswer.com, the second one is talkroom.com, the third one is voiceform.com, the fourth one is cashforminutes.com, the fifth one is agentsonly.com, and last but definitely not least is humanatic.com. Go ahead and check them out. And thanks so much for watching till this very moment. And I will see you guys in the next one.